Good morning, everybody. My name's Lady Cooks, and I'll be cooking today.
Hello everyone, and welcome to my cooking show with Walter White. Today, we are going to cook. Food, that is. Today I'm going to be making a delicacy, the quesadilla. The ingredients we're going to be using today are going to be the flour tortillas, a nice Mexican-style shredded cheese, and of course, my favorite taco seasoning for extra spice. Of course, you can always change up the ingredients. You can always hand do your cheese. You can add some spices to it. But this is my personal one. So first things first, go ahead, heat up your pan. And while it's heating, choose a good tortilla. So, once the pan is nice and heated up, you have your tortilla on top, you're gonna let it warm up for a bit. You'll know it's warm when it's nice and soft. Then go ahead and start sprinkling your cheese on top. Now, some people like to flip the tortilla so that it is warmed up on both sides. But I don't do that. Go ahead and put the cheese on the pan, and you're gonna know when it's ready as it starts to melt. As it's melting, you're gonna use your spatula, you're gonna fold it in half, flip it once or twice to make sure it's nice and toast, and it's ready to serve. But of course, throw in a little bit of my taco seasoning. While it's cooking, I'll also point out the pan that I'm using. It is a nice Dutch oven pan. Most people use a normal pan. That's completely okay. I, on the other hand, like to season my pan so that it has a nice little spicy kick to it as I eat it. Just the way my wife and child like it. That's looking nice and toasted. So go ahead and fold that bad boy in half. Nice and toasty. Now, of course, you can have different levels. It can be nice and mostly white. It can have a little bit of a light toast, or you can go for completely charred. It's up to you. I like a little bit of brown. Now put it on the plate, and it's ready to eat. What the fuck? Like always in science, stuff just happens. So, I'm gonna do something a little easier. Today, next, we are going to be doing ramen cup.
What the fuck? What the?
Jesse, what are you doing?
I thought we were cooking food. What the fuck's with that dead bitch? What did you do?
Jesse, calm down. Deal with it. So, this recipe is much, much easier. Get your cup. Open it up. Get your water. Jesse, get the fuck out the way.
Are you asking me to move a fucking body?
Move your body.
God damn it.
Fuck. Pour it in there. Most people don't know this, but You're gonna place this right on top. Reseals the package. And now you let it sit for 3 minutes. Jesse, you're ruining the shot!
I want my gun!
Get out! Get out! And you let it sit for 3 minutes. 2:36 minutes. Now that your ramen is done, you're gonna go ahead, move it to a better vessel. Ooh, hot. Get your plate, get your fork, and enjoy a nice cup of ramen. God damn it!
Next we'll...
Bagel bites! Bagel bites, you do in the microwave, no ingredients, and... Jesse, what the fuck are you doing?
What? I'm fucking hungry, bitch. I just hit a body. It's not that hot.
Shut the fuck up! You get bagel bites, plates, you put it in for, I don't know, time, and it cooks. It's cooking, and you let it cook. It's just in the microwave, there's nothing else. You let it cook for like 2 minutes. That's it. No ingredients, just a plate and pizza bites. And Jesse, shut up! Shut up, Jesse! So, once it's done cooking, I like to add some stuff. I'm an artist, like Jesse likes to say sometimes.
Yeah, bitch.
Shut up! I'm going to throw on a little bit of extra cheese. Now, if your cheese starts popping and melting... Oh shit, hold on. A beautiful plate. That's actual food! Yes! So, because pizza bites by themselves are a little plain, this is a cooking show, let's throw on a little extra melty cheese. You may recognize this one from the quesadillas I made. Get a nice sprinkle right on top. It's gonna be beautiful. So a little hot. I'll go ahead, I'll get my spoon, get a nice bite.